Good morning. Uh, this is the kitten that the people abandoned at the former place of 4 kittens and a mom. Now I can touch this one, but it's not easy to catch her. This is a female, so one male and one female here. And today I can touch, but I have to do quietly and touch her. And every day when I'm coming to feed, I always bring biscuit, rice, and this is the rice that I mix with fish and chicken for them. And the other one, where is she? Oh, that's over there. Yeah. And this is the goat meal. This is the goat meal that I always bring for them because they are too small. So when we bring the goat meal for them, it's very good for I mean keep them healthy, because this is too young and they actually need the milk from their mom, but they can't because they abandoned with their mom. So this is the kitten that we can she will escape and run away quickly. I clean this place and I prepare this place for them to sleep here. And the kitten is over there, the other one. And I prepare, this is the small shelter in a box and with a towel. And this is good for them to sleep during the night because it is warm them because they don't have mom. So this is good for them for sleeping during the night time. And this is also another place that I keep for them to sleep too. Here they have water, they have biscuits, they have goat meal, then they have rice, so it's good for whole day. And today I can touch her, but I have to hold her like this. If I don't hold her like this, she will run away from me because she's frightened. She's so much frightened. Yes, because the kitten, they need the mom to protect them, but if they stay here with their mom, so they have to be careful to protect themselves. Okay, here this is female, this is female kitten, that's female. Okay, so lovely. And yeah, this is the rubbish that I bring the food for them every day. We collect them and throw away at home. And yeah, it's really good that they have goat meal, they have rice, they have water, they have biscuits, so they can survive for all day. I don't know where's the other one that's going hiding somewhere because she's frightened of me. Yeah, so this is good place that they can sleep, that's warm them until we can find home. This is really good. I try to chat to everyone. I post on my Facebook that hope the people interested to adopt this kitten. Okay, at least they have care from me. They have food, they have yesterday I gave them, and this is the vitamin that I bring for them. It's insulin, it's not medicine, it's a vitamin because they need to do vitamin to boost their health, because actually the food is not have much more enough protein, because they need more vitamin, because if they stay with mom, so the mom, they will produce the meal, and then the meal has more protein than the food here. But the goat meal is really good, so the goat meal is good enough too, so they can survive themselves until I can find home for them. So this is really good. Okay, so now I just take time to cuddle this kitten, because I need to find home for her, in case that if she's frightened, if she go to the new home, then if she's still frightened, so when we bring her to the new home, she will run away again. But if she's friendly with the people, then it's easy to find home for the animal. Okay, it's easy to live in a new family. Okay, thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more update about my rescue animal and feeding the stray. Thank you for your support watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you the next video. Thank you.